Vanakkam. Welcome back to our Tamil journey. I am Vino Rayen. Today we are learning survival Tamil, the 10 essential phrases you need for traveling, shopping, and asking for help in South India. Let us get you ready for your trip. Phrase 1 and 2. Yes and no. For yes, we say ama. For no, we say illai. Let us try. Ama, illai. These are the foundations of every conversation. Practice with me. Ama, illai. Phrase 3. Please. தயவு செய்து. And as you know, thank you is நன்றி. Together, தயவு செய்து நன்றி. Using these shows great respect for our culture and tradition. Phrase 4. Can you help me? In a new place, this is vital. Say, எனக்கு உதவி செய்யுங்க. Let us break it down. எனக்கு உதவி செய்யுங்க. It is a very polite way to ask for assistance. Phrase 5. How much is this? When shopping in the vibrant markets of Tamil Nadu, ask, இது எவ்வளவு? Repeat, இது எவ்வளவு? This is how you start your journey into local commerce. The next phrase is very important. Please listen to it carefully and note it down. Phrase 6 and 7. I want water or food. For water, say, எனக்கு தண்ணீர் வேணும். For food, say, எனக்கு சாப்பாடு வேணும். வேணும் means I want. Try it. தண்ணீர் வேணும். சாப்பாடு வேணும். Phrase 8. Where is? Just say the place followed by எங்க இருக்கு. For example, hotel எங்க இருக்கு or restroom எங்க இருக்கு. It is a simple formula to find your way anywhere easily. Phrase 9 and 10. Do you speak English? Say, உங்களுக்கு English தெரியுமா? And if you don't understand their reply, say, புரியல. I don't understand. தெரியுமா? புரியல. Okay, great. மிக்க நன்றி. You are now equipped with 10 survival phrases. To learn more and practice your pronunciation, book a private lesson with me on Preplay. Visit yoga-8.com or message me on WhatsApp. Let us keep learning.